As Arbe Robotics' second quarter conference call approaches on Thursday, August 7th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the company has announced that Sensrad, a leading radar tier 1 supplier based in Sweden, has begun delivering its first radar series powered by Arbe's chipset to customers. These radars are being deployed in a defense sector autonomous off-road vehicle application and an intelligent road infrastructure project, marking a significant step in expanding radar adoption across diverse verticals beyond traditional passenger automotive markets. The partnership between Arbe and Sensrad has led to a comprehensive support and maintenance agreement designed to accelerate the deployment of Sensrad's 4D imaging radar program built on Arbe's advanced chipset technology. Under this agreement, Sensrad will pay Arbe a recurring fee for continued support, maintenance, and professional services, ensuring maximum performance, reliability, and efficiency across all radar systems utilizing Arbe technology. Arbe's customer success and engineering teams will work closely with Sensrad, providing a wide range of support and maintenance services. These services include design review, system debugging, calibration support, software and hardware updates, system optimization, and assistance in meeting international standards and certifications. According to Kobi Marenko, CEO of Arbe, the agreement underscores the company's commitment to supporting Sensrad in bringing advanced, high-definition radar solutions to market. Marcus Hasselblad, CEO of Sensrad, emphasized that the collaboration with Arbe has been central to delivering state-of-the-art imaging radar, and the agreement enhances their ability to provide customers with robust, field-proven radar technology backed by Arbe's innovation and support.